Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Officer Aidan.
I'm Gaynor.
And today we have Damn Nature You Scary. Funny, scary animal encounters.
I do like an animal
Have you ever had one, an animal encounter?
Yes. So, when we went to Knowsley Safari Park,
Right.
the monkeys, you can go through the monkey enclosure, and the monkey jumped onto the car and ripped the windshield blades off.
Really? Jesus.
So just prayed it didn't rain on the way
Yeah,
home.
I remember when we were in Abu Dhabi and I went for like I think it was just like a walk with Winston, the dog. And like you could see into someone's back garden, there was a bloody lion in
Yeah.
caged. I mean, it was caged in, so I was alright. But one day it was like roaming the streets, wasn't it?
It was a leopard, I think it was.
A leopard?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. They were exercising it on the road.
Yeah, literally.
Yeah.
It's crazy over there with the sort of animals you'll see. As pets.
There's so much money, they just buy anything.
Yeah.
They have snakes and everything.
Not scared of them. Anyway, let's see funny, scary animal encounters. And this one falls as well.
Oh my god.
He's popped the tyre? Yeah. Jesus. I must be in Spain or somewhere.
Pop the wheel anyway.
Bloody hell. Does that not hurt?
Angry.
I know, right? I mean, have you ever seen a happy bull?
Ooh.
Yeah. They're grim.
Are they eels?
Eels.
Yeah.
It's like she heard you.
Ah!
Oh.
The Jack got it.
Isn't it like a fact or something that like elephants think humans are cute or something? I've heard that somewhere.
They're very intelligent.
Are they?
Yeah, and they like the interaction
Yeah.
with humans as well. Oh my god.
Maybe not.
Maybe not her.
Oh no.
Oh my god.
What an
He
idiot.
sees it. He sees it. Look at him. Oh my god.
It's gonna kick him, innit?
Yeah.
Oh.
That hurt.
Can't creep up on them like that.
Just keeps videoing.
Sorry, here we go. One,
Oh, is that a snake?
Oh, snake.
three. Jesus Christ Almighty!
I would proper be scared, man. I hate snakes.
I think we got a garfish, dude.
He's got an alligator, hasn't
Be careful, Evan. Oh my God! That's a big gator, buddy. That is a big gator.
Crying. Oh, God.
he?
Ah!
Oh! Monkeys are cool, man.
Oh, they're nasty as well. Oh, grab your baby.
Bro,
What's
the
going
guy was
on?
hesitating.
I think they don't know.
What?
He's got something wrong with him.
Oh,
Oh, it's a
that's
snake.
what.
He seems
It's
to
like
be
the other
looking
guy
over.
is just so clueless, man.
Yeah, he was looking over there. I thought somebody was going to come charging in.
The guy in the red shirt grabbed the baby, closed the doors.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, has it gone through his eyelid?
That's close to going through his eye.
Jesus Christ. You gotta be careful here.
Oh, you can
Gator.
see it
It's a
there.
gator. Mate just comes legging it around. Yeah, I'm gone. Is he falling over? No. Whoa.
Well, that puts an end to my tarpon fishing.
He looks angry as well.
Get back.
Like, I don't think so.
Oh, nah. Why are you even still there?
I know. Get out of my water.
Now, when you're messing
God. Important to never show fear. I thought he got out then though, but it's just the door still inside.
Go back up.
Never show. That's embarrassing. What?
What's that?
Looks like a massive lizard or something, right?
Oh,
There's people in there. Oh.
Oh my God.
That's his bull now.
That's a moose, isn't it? Yeah.
With his baby.
Oh, jeez.
Oh my God.
I'd play dead
He
for a
was
little
just playing
while.
with him. He was like scaring him. Gonna fall back.
So glad I was recording that!
Got like a big stick or something.
A big stick.
Yeah.
Big stick. It's heavy, whatever it is.
It's just not a stick.
That is not a stick. Oh my God. That's not a stick at all. Holy sh**. Holy sh**. Oh my Lord, holy moly. Wow, that changes things.
Oh, we've seen this one before. It's the what's it, isn't it, that comes? The bear, he has to throw his bike up.
Yeah.
Hey! Hey!
That's mad.
Yeah.
What was that? An octopus?
Yeah. That's actually pretty cool.
Not for the crab. Should have squirted some lime on it, a little bit of salt.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna bug you. I'm going away. I promise I'm not gonna bug you. I'm not gonna bug you. I'm going away.
I think he's gonna bug you though,
I'm
eh?
going away. I'm going away. I'm not gonna bug you. I promise. I'm going away. I'm going away.
They react like this when they've got
No,
babies,
he
don't
is
they?
talking to him like he's like, alright, he's going away.
away.
Like he can understand English.
Oh, giraffe.
They just look funny though, don't they?
I have a gun. I have a gun. You have to be quick enough.
I'm walking backwards on the trail back to the camp. I'm walking on the trail, and Mom and two cubs.
Yeah, I'm going to say, I think the worst time to encounter a bear is when
There's
they're with the cubs.
Yeah, the cubs with them. They're very protective.
Very
aren't they?
protective.
To walk backwards.
Yeah, don't turn around and run for you.
And Mom and the cubs keep following me, and are walking at least as fast as I am.
Did you just eat the bird?
I missed that one.
I was. Yeah,
Yeah.
like he threw food down, the bird went to get it, and then
Wow.
ate the bird. Probably the first time it's ever tried
Yeah,
that.
there it is. Come back.
Oh, what?
It's like, I don't like that.
Yeah, it's not nice. Oh, this is gonna be grim.
Oh my God! How did that get up there?
How was he so chill?
You. Oh.
Throw a rock.
That was just nah. I wouldn't do
Get the
that.
away. Go away. Go away. No.
At that point, I'm.
Yeah, you need to throw a rock.
No. You, dude. Holy.
I was like, fuck you too, man. Them like
Yeah, get
the way he's
Yeah.
running towards it. What did he do?
Threw a rock.
Oh, did he? But the way that cat was running towards him like that, I would have shouted. You'd scared me from here.
That's the thing, you don't...
I don't even like cats, and never mind a bloody leopard.
No, but the thing is, you don't know what to do for the best thing. You know not to turn your back because they pounce.
Because it's like a different thing for like different animals,
Yeah.
isn't it? Which ones play dead?
If you get... I think that's a bear, you know.
bear?
A bear, I think you play dead. And if it's a snake, you run in a zigzag.
Zigzag. What? Is that real?
Yeah, because they go straight, don't they, like
No,
that?
they go like that. They zigzag.
They don't like zigzag like that, though, do they?
Yeah, it's a move their body has to zigzag type. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Anyway,
Just don't go somewhere where there's anything like that.
Yeah, I'm quite scared of certain animals, to be fair.
Yeah. I'd love to come
Like if I
across
encountered that leopard like that, I wouldn't even be able to like record it.
No, I wouldn't. I'd proper panic. But the thing is, I think you have to compose yourself because you know if you turn and run, it's just going to chase you and it's faster than you.
What if I'm faster?
I
Never
don't
know.
think so. Unless you can climb trees and then it's straight up behind you.
Yeah, anyway, it was a good video.
Yeah, it was.
Hopefully you guys enjoyed it as well. If you did, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button for us, please. And also check out the Patreon, which is linked in the description down below. Yeah. And we'll catch you in the next one.
Bye.
Cheers.